Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the coconut balls so you can start boiling and collecting water. To begin, first of all we'll need to find a green coconut, which you can find on the ground, and once you do find it, it is going to usually be located near a palm where you can find more coconuts. So once you've gathered it, pick out your axe and go ahead and mine it when it's placed on the ground. Now, as you can see, it is filled with water, so you can just go ahead and drink or spill it. And once it's done, just once again, hold down the right click on your mouse and select the harvest option. This is going to give you the coconut shell with flesh, and this can be eaten to get some fats and carbohydrates. So just go ahead and eat it, and once you do, you have the coconut ball, which you can place outside to collect water when it's raining, or place it near a fire to boil some. So this is pretty much all how to get the coconut bowl. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.